What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Hope that you guys are doing fantastic. Had a great request. It's a real simple, real quick request that I want to get into today. Hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do this. The only thing that stays consistent is the grind. Keep on grinding. So I had the privilege of being reached out to by one of the fantastic subscribers of this channel. Thank you all for your support, by the way. It means more than you know. Every single time I hear that this channel is able to help somebody purchase jewelry, it makes my day. I'm glad to know I wasn't crazy when I thought to start this channel. In case you guys aren't familiar with this channel, welcome. My name is Joe. I am 5'6". Today I am 151 pounds, and I'm going to be taking jewelry 12 feet back on this channel for your viewing pleasure, so you guys can see exactly what that jewelry is going to look like on you. Well, not exactly, but for the most part, what this jewelry is going to look like on you. I find that the best reference that can be given is from far away, rather than up close on a camera that's not going to be able to tell whether it's a 3mm or a 20mm chain that you're looking at. 12 feet away is the best way to do it. So today we're going to be taking an 8mm 24-inch Miami Cuban 12 feet back so that you guys can see what this looks like. But first we're going to take it up close so you guys can check that out. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so here on the hand, I have an 8mm Miami Cuban. I don't really have a reference because, I wasn't really asked to compare it with anything, but I just wanted to show it to you up close so that when we take it far away, you can really see why this channel can be beneficial. Up close, this thing might even look like a 10mm Miami Cuban, but it is not, I can assure you. So we're going to throw this on the neck, we're going to take it back, and you guys are going to be able to see what you will look like in real life when someone else is looking at you. Because why are we wearing jewelry, right? We're wearing jewelry to make ourselves feel good, as well as to have others think that we look good better than what we normally do without the jewelry, right? So you want to make sure that this is going to fit you and your size and your shape. Remember my size, compare it with your size, and try to get the best idea we can. All right, let's throw this around the neck. Okay, guys, so around the neck we have the 8mm hanging at 24 inches in length. That's pretty long for me for an everyday. Not sure what size the subscriber is. Not that it really matters. You could be any size you want, wear whatever you want, but it's a little long for me. So I personally stick to 20 inches, but you know, that's neither here nor there. Just thought I'd give my own personal reference point. What I like, being 5'6", I think 20 inches does the best job for me, especially for an everyday. Lately, I've been rocking one 5.5mm flat, one 5mm flat, and then another 5mm flat. 15.5mm around the neck every day for a daily stack, all hanging at 20 inches in length. But anyway, guys, like I said, nice short video for you. Hope that this was able to help the subscriber. You know, let me take it one more time back so you could get an idea, just in case you didn't get the first time. I know here in 2022 we do have an amazing thing called Rewind, but I'm doing my best for you guys. And considering this is a short video, why not? Why not just take it back a little bit? I hope that you guys and your families are all doing well. Be safe. Catch you guys in the next video. Got some great content ideas coming up for you guys. Thank you for everything that you lend to this channel. It really means more than you know. Take care. Have a great day.